Hello everybody, we're back here with another Passionate Auto Guys project. For this one we're going to be working on this gold Acura again. We're going to be fixing and restoring these seat belts. They're really dirty, they're hard, they feel like cardboard, and they don't retract very well at all. A lot of people think this is because of the mechanism inside that plastic trim piece has gone bad, but that is just not the case, and we're going to prove it to you in this video. It's just really stiff and dirty. These seat belts are full of built up dirt, sweat, body oils over the past 24 years or so that has made them like hard cardboard feeling. And this is why they get stuck and don't retract very well. So we're going to show you step by step how to go through and solve this problem and effectively clean these seat belts and restore their retracting properties. Now we're going to make our cleaning solution for the seat belts. We're going to start by running the sink water to the hottest possible setting. We're also going to get some Tide Pods and some OxiClean laundry detergent. It's important to only use laundry detergent for this solution, not any other soaps or cleaners. Now this is what the solution bucket looks like from the driver's side seatbelt after we finish soaking it and doing the treatment. It's really dark, discolored, and nasty. All that came out of the seatbelts. I'm going to show you guys, first of all, how much cleaner, nicer looking these seatbelts are. Then we're going to show you how well they retract now that this whole process has been done. I'm going to remove the clip and you'll see how it just shoots straight up. Look at that. Night and day difference to what we started with. They don't feel like cardboard anymore. They're soft and clean. They feel nice and they smell good as well. Night and day difference on that. Retracts so much faster, goes straight into place the second you let it go, all on its own without any help. Here's the passenger side. I'm going to show you the same thing. Go ahead and unclip that. Boom, there you have it. Straight back in place. guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe for similar little projects and vehicle restorations from Passionate Auto Guys.